Manufacturing plants today generate huge amounts of data, but many businesses still rely on gut feeling rather than data-driven decisions. This leads to inefficiencies and productivity losses. The real issue is that data is scattered everywhere, on paper, in spreadsheets, in your ERP or custom apps, making it hard to get the insights you need. This prevents you from making quick, informed decisions that are needed to drive operational excellence. Manual data collection is tedious, not always accurate, and doesn't give real-time updates. Hence, plant issues can go unnoticed. Introducing digiSmart, a cloud-based platform that transforms how you manage your operations. It gives you real-time visibility by gathering data digitally from tablets, smartphones, machines, and sensors, all in one easy-to-use system. digiSmart features pluggable modules to bring in efficient communication across shop floor areas. Starting step is to map your production processes and resource categories to create a digital workflow. Schedule module converts work order into production plan with timelines. Plant resources, including available operators, machines, and raw materials, are assigned through an allocated module. Operators and supervisors can now easily record production, process, quality, and material data and machine stoppages through a simple tablet app. digiSmart can also be integrated with machines and sensors to acquire data directly, thereby minimizing data entry efforts. Once all plant data is in the platform, the Monitor module gives you real-time, visual dashboards to track operations. The Reporting module creates customized reports for quick analysis, audits, and regular reviews. digiSmart is built to be simple. Workers can learn it quickly with minimal training. The auto-populated fields and drop-down options make data entry fast and accurate, saving time and reducing errors. And with real-time dashboards and easy-to-read reports, you can focus on making better decisions faster. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your data and improve your factory's performance? Let's talk about how digiSmart can help you stay competitive and efficient. Visit DigiXLT's website or reach out to us at accelerate@digixlt.com to learn more.